Oh hey, Charles here. So this is how the roof is going. See how they came up like this? They came up in the middle, made a perfect fit across the top, and then like that. And this is the last run. It's being lapped over this side because this is where the nail strip is here, and then this is going to soak in over the nails there. And then I'm going to piece, see how pretty that's going to look. Last course it even laps over, and then I'm going to have the crown over that, so it doubles it up. And I think it's going to be like a third of a shingle over the top, and then nail it down along this area in order to nail it down. It'll look real good. It'll be good and weatherproof too, because this will be doubled up on here.